Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn the next part of English writing small letter. Last week, as I have already taught you how to write small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f. Today we are going to learn small g and small h. Today we are going to learn small g and small h. So today we are going to learn small g. I have already taught how to write capital G. Today we are going to learn how to write small g. G for grapes. G for grapes. So today we are going to learn how to write small g. Small g. Okay. And the next we are going to learn today is small h. I have already taught you how to write capital H. Today we are going to learn how to write small h. H for hut. H for hut. So today we will learn how to write G. Small g. G for grapes. So we will start writing. Let's see children how to write. We will make a curved line from the blue line and make a C as we used to make, as I taught you how to make C, we will make G also like that, and then we will again take the line to the top blue line, drag it downwards and make a turn like this. This is small g. We will start again. We will make a C by making a curved line like this. Then we will start again from the blue line, drag it downwards and then turn. This is G. We will make a curved line like this, like a C, and then again we will start from the top blue line, touching both the ends of the curved line and dragging it downwards and making a G. First we will make a curved line from the top blue line till the bottom blue line. Then we will start from the blue line, touching the ends of the curved line and make a G like this. See children how I am making? You have to write it like this. Okay? You have to write like this. This is small g. G for grapes. This is small g. This is small g. This is small g. Okay? G for grapes. G for grapes. Small g. This is small g. The next we will learn is small h. So let's learn how to write a small h. See, we will make a standing up line from the top red line, drag it downwards to the bottom blue line, and then we will make a curved line. We will start from this bottom blue line and make a downward curve line. We will start from the top red line, drag it downward to the bottom blue line, then again turn it and make a downward curves. Okay, we'll start from a top red line, drag it downwards to the bottom blue line till the bottom blue line, then again move back on that line and make a downward curve line. This is small h. Drag it downwards, then make a curve line. Make a stand up line from the top red line and drag it downward and then make a curve line. Make a standing up line from the top red line, drag it downwards and then make a downwards curve line. Okay, this is small h. See, I'm writing how I'm writing. H for hut, small h. H for hut, H for hut. This is small h. This is small h. H for hut. Make a standing up line from the top, then make a downward curve line. Make a standing up line from the top and then make a downward curve line. This is small h. See children, you have to write it like this, maintaining the line. Small g, you will not cross the line, and then small h, you will not cross the line. You will write as I have taught you. Okay, thank you.